DIY credit repair, step 2, review your credit reports. Hey, what's up, guys? Now that you've locked in your why, it's time to go to step 2, reviewing your credit reports. Before you can fix anything, you need to know exactly what you're working with, which means you're going to have to look at all 3 credit bureaus, your Experian, your Equifax, and your TransUnion. If you're already working with me, then you're already signed up with Smart Credit. And I recommend Smart Credit because it gives you the most detailed breakdown and makes it the easiest to track and change. I'll drop a link so you can access your reports. Once you have them, go through them line by line. Look for late payments. Are there any you can dispute or negotiate? Collections, charge-offs, are they accurate? Are they past the statute of limitations? Errors, accounts you don't recognize, duplicate accounts, incorrect balances, hard inquiries, too many can hurt your score. Anything that looks incorrect or outdated is something we will work on in the next step. The key is here, accuracy. If it is wrong, it can be fixed. So here's what I want you to do. Pull your report, go through them carefully, take notes on what needs to be addressed. Once you've done that, drop step 2 done in the comments, and I'll see you in the next step. Let's get to work.